Here's a simple recipe for making delicious fried rice at home. Ingredients: cooked rice, preferably day-old rice, 2 cups. Eggs 2, beaten. Vegetables, such as carrots, peas, bell peppers, and green onions, 1/2 cup, chopped. Protein, such as cooked chicken, shrimp, or tofu, 1/2 cup, diced. Garlic 2 cloves, minced. Soy sauce 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, optional. Sesame oil 1/2 teaspoon, optional. Cooking oil 2 tablespoons. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. 2. Add the beaten eggs to the hot skillet and scramble them until they are fully cooked. Remove the scrambled eggs from the skillet and set them aside. 3. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of cooking oil if needed. Add minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds until fragrant. 4. Add the chopped vegetables and diced protein to the skillet and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender. 5. Add the cooked rice to the skillet and break up any clumps with a spatula. Stir-fry the rice with the vegetables and protein for 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the rice to get slightly crispy. 6. Add soy sauce and oyster sauce, if using, to the skillet and stir-fry for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, coating the rice evenly with the sauce. 7. Add the scrambled eggs back to the skillet and stir-fry for another minute. 8. Optional. Drizzle sesame oil over the fried rice and stir-fry for a final 30 seconds to add extra flavor. 9. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 10. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade fried rice. Note: you can customize this recipe by adding or substituting ingredients to suit your taste preferences. You can also adjust the amount of sauce and seasoning to your liking. Enjoy experimenting with different variations of fried rice. I asked artificial intelligence how to make fried rice at home, and got a good recipe. But to the question of if artificial intelligence can make a cooking video, it is not quite there yet. This video is made possible by Pictory. If you like to use Pictory to create your videos, enter the promo code J56 at checkout to get 20% off your subscription until you cancel. This is all for the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.